Hey, what is up guys? I'm super stoked to be filming this video, but before we get into the video, as you guys see, the office is a bit different. Quick little tour. Yeah, this is what we're working with today. Disclaimer, Dreadlock extensions on my boo thing. We're actually gonna be taking these out. That's gonna be in a separate video. If you haven't watched it, it's the video before this one. But got these new chairs for this desk. Also, 10-foot long desk. Took me like 2 seconds to get all the way over there. Also have this little section right here for green screen shooting for guns locked. Oh, Dreadlocks. Switched up the name. This is what I was working on and was a little time consuming. Took me 3 days to build and stoked on it. But let's get into the video. So first and foremost, I got these Dreadlock extensions from DSoar. This video is sponsored by DSoar. Click the link in the description and check out all of their hair. They don't only have Dreadlock extensions, they have other hair extensions. I believe they have wigs and they have a whole bunch of other stuff. But in today's video, I have the honor of showing you guys how to install Dreadlock extensions on my wife. So it's gonna be a whole lot of fun, y'all. First things first is I gotta make all the tips look like this. I mean, I try to make a loop as best as possible, but all of these dreads came like this. And since they are temporary, these would be intentionally for crocheting them into her hair, but we're not gonna crochet them in because this is a temporary look for her. So I'm actually gonna go in and crochet a loop on every single one of these. And there is exactly 40 dreadlocks in here. So that's a good thing. I think this should cover a good amount of your head, huh? So now I'm just gonna go through and crochet all of the loops on these. All right, so there we go. Now I got another loop. This is pretty strong. And this is just so that I can loop her hair through and then braid it into the lock, and then it'll have the extension or the dreadlock look. Boom, I'm gonna do the rest. All right guys, I'm down to the last one. I literally did 39 and I can't believe I made it to 40. I actually got this done pretty quick. So I'm just gonna finish this one up and then we will get everything started. Just like that, another loop. Like I said, they're all done. So they all have loops on them now. Shout out to this crochet needle that comes from DSoar as well. It is a 0.5 millimeter. This thing is so handy just because it has this handle on it. Alrighty guys, so I got all these ready to go. We're about to install them in the living room just in case it takes really long and we have to watch TV or something. Also, I'm going to be using these rubber bands. And that will just seal off the actual hair getting tightened into the dreadlock. You almost ready?
Yeah, I just had to fix this thing.
Cool. I'm actually going to be using this comb to section out her hair to make sure I get the right sections. Alright y'all, so I basically pulled out all of the hair that I didn't want to use for this demonstration. I'm going to use this little section of hair. I just sectioned it off and put a rubber band in there just to hold it in. But I'm basically going to loop this hair through the loop on the dreadlock extension. And then basically almost do a braid to where it stays locked in. So take your homemade loop that you created, maybe a little fuzzy, but over time, when it comes to actually having these in permanently, it will look a whole lot better when you crochet hook them in. And that just makes it easier to get through because you see the rubber band actually comes through. Then you can pull all that rest of the hair out through the loop. Now that we got this hair through, we'll pull the rubber band off. And I only tied this twice so that it's not on there super tight, so it's easy to get the rubber band off.
This shall be a sign unto you. You shall find the babe wrapped in swaddling clothes, lying in a manger.
I'm gonna try to handle the hair a whole lot better with some handy dandy water because the hair was just slipping around everywhere. This ought to do the trick. Now that you got that going in the right direction, guys, grab your dreadlock. Since these loopholes are big enough, I'm just gonna use my fingers to thread the hair through, pull the hair through. And then I'm grabbing the dread and then I'm wrapping this hair around that lock like so. So this is just to compress the loop and to blend the hair into the extension. You guys see what I'm doing? Just literally wrapping this around to give it like a coil look at the beginning. And don't worry, I know the color of the actual extension is a different color than her roots. So we're gonna hit it with some black hairspray stuff, guys. Don't worry. Since I got the root wrapped, you guys see that the root wrap is like that? You know, a root wrap. Sound like something you can eat at a restaurant, a little root wrap. Now basically from this point, you just wanna braid the hair. Very simple. And then I'm just braiding this all the way down until that hair runs out, guys. Now that the hair has ran out, I'm gonna throw a rubber band at the end of that bad boy. So now that I got the rubber band, guys, add it in. Quick. Tell the hair what you want it to do. And boom! Just like that, guys. And like I said, once we add in some hairspray stuff, which Candace actually did when she had her beautiful braids in, guys. Here's some pictures. So this is what it looks like so far. It looks like some faux dreadlocks.
Hey guys, look at my hairs. There's only 3 of them.
And we're just gonna keep doing them. They actually look really good. All right, so we're gonna knock out a lot more and we'll get right back to you. Alright y'all, so this is what the hair is looking like right now, and obviously you can see that the hair at the roots, you can see it. So we're going to spray it down with some hair color. It's going to make it look even better. I think it looks like how faux dreadlocks look. But this is what it looks like now, and this is what it's looking like afterwards, guys. 360 time. Check it out. It blends really well. Uh-oh. Cool. Dang, mama. You look gangster or something. People are gonna be mad at me and be like, oh, so everyone who has dreadlocks is gangster. Then I'm a gangster, guys. Yeah, babes, it looks pretty cool. How's it going in there?
I think I'd rather have these and than I did to have the braids because these are super light. But I feel like I look like you, but a girl version.
Cool little top bun.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Tune in next time where I shave Gunter the Great's dreads off.
Wait a minute.
Just kidding. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.
This is the ultimate test to see whether you know me or not. You remember the outro?
Do you say have a good day? Matter of fact, have a great day? You don't say that?
No.
For real? Peace out. God bless. Have a great day.
My outro is... Alright you guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Other than that, see you guys next time. Hopefully you guys have an amazing day. Matter of fact, have a great day.
Oh,
Peace out and
amazing
God bless.
day.
Yeah.